Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use 100 mode setting on lava phone. Since you want to use 100 mode setting on your lava phone, so how to on and use 100 mode on lava phone today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your lava phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see get this intelligent assistant setting friends, click here. After on friends, you can on your smart answer setting friends, you can on your 3 finger screenshot friends, you want to take a screenshot with 3 finger, you can on, and friends you can take a screenshot with 3 finger. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see lift to wake means get raise to wake setting. So once you want to on, so you can on lift to wake. Let's click on single hand mode means one handed mode setting. So friends, we will click here. Friends, you want to use, so guys on it. After on friends, you can see icon show guys how to use one handed mode setting means single handed mode setting. So friends, right side guys this home button guys swipe, you can use guys your one handed mode setting on your lava phone device. So like that friends, we can use this one handed mode setting. We can use our phone with one hand. And then if you click friends, you can see touch the blank area to exit, click here. And friends, left side swipe, you can use guys your one handed mode with your left hand. So like that friends, we can use one handed mode setting on lava phone device after all. And friends, you don't want to use, friends click on again assistant setting, and guys one handed mode setting guys we will off. After friends, you can see now guys we cannot use one handed setting on lava phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on and off one handed mode on lava phone. So bye guys.